We all love PDF attachments, right? But PDF attacks are another easy way to exploit users. A malicious PDF attachment is sent to the user and it is tricked to open the attachment. Open attachment launches multiple attack vectors in a victim's computer. Around 60% of the targeted attacks are PDF exploit. It is the most commonly used file formats by cybercriminals. Malicious actors continuously create, innovate, and hide or devise new techniques to craft a PDF attack. These attacks are crafted in such a way that they could bypass email, spam filters, corporate firewall, intrusion prevention system, antivirus, and security control like proxy server. A PDF attachment consists of a header, body, reference table, and a trailer. The malinformed PDF header acts as an attack vector. This PDF document is sufficient to trick you. Generally, this PDF document is one page, which might seem or look blank, or it might be very big PDF attachment. As soon as it is opened, the PDF document, a malicious JavaScript code runs automatically and corrupts the system or part of the memory known as heap. The shell code is the bad code that auto connects to the internet and downloads malware. This malware is auto activated. You don't have to do anything. Now don't be shocked that if I don't open PDF document I am safe. No. A PDF uses a compression technique like your zip utilities like WinRAR or any other zip utilities. Due to this, a section of PDF document can auto decompress, means it can auto open the malicious file using the file explorer shell option or shell command. Corporate should analyze the PDF document header as well as metadata to determine the malicious code that is embedded in this PDF document. Even employees must be trained not to open any email from unknown sender and never download any attachment as far as possible, because sometimes the trusted sender email can also be spoofed by cyber criminals. So stay safe. Prevention tip would be to disable JavaScript, curtail access to system information and network resources by blocking PDF readers, block web browser using PDF, install PDF reader on an isolated computer, or use a PDF alternative Sumatra PDF utility, SUMATRA PDF utility, that you can find it if you Google it.